Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG Stylo 5. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. All right, so I'm just going to show you how to quickly install your SIM card and SD card so that you can get service on your phone right away. And also I'm going to show you how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos are saved to the SD card rather than the internal storage of your phone. And then I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files from the memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone to maybe download new apps, get your phone working better and smoother, because when a lot of your memory is taken up, the phone starts to act up and work a little bit slower. So let's get right into it. On the left side of the phone, we're going to have a small hole right here, and that's where your SIM and SD card tray is going to be. We're going to need a SIM ejector tool like this. If you bought your phone brand new, it should come with one. If not, you can use anything like a paper clip, an earring, something very thin like this. We're gonna push it into the small hole right here and then just push it in gently, and you will see that the SIM and SD card tray will pop up. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and just pull it out completely. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move the SIM ejector tool, and then we're gonna place the SIM card on the lower part here of the tray like this. It's gonna stay in there just like that, super simple. And then the SD card, we're gonna place it right above it, and this is gonna stick on here as well. So there you go. Once you have your SIM and SD cards in the tray like this, then we're ready to install it into the LG. So we're just gonna slide it back in there very gently so that we don't jam the SIM card and SD card in there. Make sure they don't fall off the tray like that, and then just push it in gently. And then once they're in, the phone will automatically read them. Give it a few seconds and it will automatically read both of them. If your SIM card is activated with service, it should pick up the signal right away. As you can see here, it's already reading the signal and it's getting 4G data, although reception in here in my office is a little bit pretty bad, so that's why you only see 2 bars, but it did pick up the signal right away. So the SIM card will start working right away. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SD card now so that pictures and videos that you take from now on will store automatically to the SD card. So how we're going to do that is we're going to find the camera app, and on this one it's right here. We're going to open it up, and then once you open up the camera app, it's going to give you this option right here: camera storage. Change storage to SD card. Change at a later time, go to the settings. So just select change, and there you go. If you want to confirm it that it worked, go up here to the settings wheel. Okay, and we're gonna go to where it says storage right here, and just make sure that SD card is selected. So you can choose from the internal storage or SD card. Make sure you select SD card, and pictures and videos that you take from now on will be saved automatically to the SD card. All right, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to transfer old files to free up space on the internal memory of your phone. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to find in management a folder called File Manager, and it's right here. Select allow when you see this message pop up, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to select the 3 lines up here, and we're going to make sure first that we select internal storage, since that's where we're going to be transferring out of. Select internal storage. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do pictures and videos, and those are going to be in the DCIM folder. So I'm going to select that and then go to camera. So here, as you can see, I have a couple pictures. You're probably going to have a lot more. All videos and pictures will pop up here. So to select them, to transfer them to the SD card, what we're going to do is we're going to select the 3 dots up here, and we're going to select move, and then we're going to hit select all. Once they're all selected, select move down here, and now we're going to find the file that we want to move it to. So we want to move it to the SD card, and I'll save it in the same folder, DCIM folder, so we don't get anything confused. And I'm going to create a new folder just to organize everything, and I will create a folder called Stylo 5. And I'm going to select the folder, and then I'm going to press OK so that it moves all of the pictures and videos into this folder in the SD card. Select OK. It's going to transfer all of the pictures and videos. They're now on the SD card. Let's go ahead back into the internal storage and verify that they are not there anymore. Let's go back to DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no more files here anymore. So they were moved out of the internal storage, freeing up space on your phone. And keep in mind, you could do this with any other type of these files here that you want to transfer over to your SD card to free up space on your LG Stylo 5. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like if it did. It helps me out. And that's it for now. I'll see everyone in the next video. And as always, peace.